this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be joining the Pinkfresh Studios YouTube hop, where we use all Pinkfresh Studios items monthly, and all of the people that are joining will be linked down below, all of that fun stuff. I will talk about it more along within the video. I am using the collection that is from Pinkfresh Studio. It is got some happy holidays and then holiday magic, and I got the kit from the scrap room. It's the December flavors of the month, so they had Pinkfresh Happy Studios in there. And then I did also get the embellishment pack, so I got a little bit more of a collection than just this for this. And then I added holiday magic along with the red, because I am going to post up here in the corner the layout I am scrap lifting from the Scrap Squad, and it is from Julie Taylor. What I am doing is, it is day number, so I started this late obviously because this is towards the end of the month that this is going on. And I was doing a huge thing for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. I think I did 15 of the 20 days or 14 of the 20 days. And so I am on day number 1 for the Scrap Squad, which was the 12 days of Christmas lifts. While I was doing, those were being released. So I'll link that up here in the corner so that you can see what I'm doing there. And then this is what this collection is, and I will talk this process through. So let's see what I can do. Alright, so what I do is that I keep all of the different, like the outside. I don't really like all of the white that Julie Taylor has, because you guys know I need some type of a border. So what I did was that I decided that instead of making it completely white, I'm going to take and use this one particular paper that's got this border all the way around and leave the white background like she has, but I like the minty feel of what this one looks like. So then I'm taking all these pieces and I am building this shelf, and at the end you will see how I tie in these bigger photos, because she only has one little small one, and I wanted to do the charcuterie boards like I do almost every year now. I've gotten to be really good and really fond of the boards and stuff. I learned a lot. I've been watching a lot on like Instagram, because I don't have like TikTok or anything. I use my Instagram, and so there are some people, like some influencers that I follow that does charcuterie boards, and they do like reels and pictures and stuff, and I'm really good about emulating what they look like. And last year was one of my big years that I have done it, and that's what we use a lot of times for like lunch and supper around here, and I just love doing them. So I am just filming these two. So this kind of kicked off in November. This is while I was up with my friend Fran at her house. It was my first holiday try of how to make one of these boards and to make it look good. And then she had the wine glass that said joy, and I was like, you know what? This is a good photo to kind of kick off like what I did through the holidays, even though that this was during my Thanksgiving like break, in a sense, for that regards. So that's kind of a little bit about the photos. So Julie does a lot of these little, had some doilies in there and some other, just some other fun stuff. And what I did was that I didn't really have a colored doily other than these heart ones that I got from, I think they were Target. Yeah, they came from Target Dollar Spot. And so I cut it in half. So it really, once it's all done, you can't even tell really that it looks like a heart, because I cut it in half. And then the way I tucked it, it just looks kind of like a hump I mean, it looks more like an oval shape than anything. So I think that it achieved having that look. And I cut these down just to kind of give it a little bit of a, and then by the time I cover up like over here on this side, you can't even tell that that was kind of like a heart, like these were heart-shaped ones. So that made me feel good there, that I could incorporate that. And I do bring in some twine like she has. And I actually thought of me to do the first day of the 12 days of scrap lifts through the Scrap Squad was the fact that the word joy was in her layout, and then my cup had the word joy. So I do get out Pinkfresh Studios holiday, I don't know, whatever the red ones I pulled out when I told you in the beginning, and then pull the word joy there too. So I kind of incorporated that as well. But make sure that you go check out everybody. Everybody will be linked down below. I'm excited to be joining this month. And then going forward, hopefully, I'll keep joining. And so this tub I never showed you. Those are the letters I was telling you. The tub I got out as an afterthought. And I had a bunch of the Pinkfresh Studio like sequins or beads. I'm not even sure what you want to call these. And I was like, oh, this will be perfect. I can bring in a little bit more of that pink, because in Julie's layout, she has a little bit more pink than what I do. I was going for more of the minty look. And so I brought in that pink just to bring it in a little bit, because from the Scrap Squad, or not the Scrap Squad, but the Scrap Room, you don't get all that much embellishments, because really, truly, you're just getting a taste or a flavor of these collections. So this just brings in a little bit extra. So it is okay to take a kit like Pinkfresh Studios kit that I got from the scrap room, and add your pieces that you already have in your stash, and then make it your own too. And that's what I love about these kits. They work wonderful. I get a layout, maybe possibly 2 layouts out per layout, per kit. So then I round out with the Shimmers Gold, and then that is it. Make sure you go check out everybody linked down below. Hit that like and subscribe button. It's free. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.